Hello everybody. So we are doing some cod fillets and I've blotted them off real good with paper towels to remove as much moisture as possible. I'm going to use some pink salt, we're going to do these with lemon, garlic, olive oil, and butter. My husband seems to really like it that way. Gonna add some pepper. Now we will turn around to our skillet. Going to add some butter, maybe. Let's go with the wrapper. Add some olive oil. This is a good olive oil, real olive oil. I don't know if you can see that. Tasty stuff. And that just helps your butter from burning, and you don't have to use as much butter when you mix it with the olive oil. So it's a twofer. A few less calories, a few less cholesterol. So your body does need some cholesterol because that's what our brains run off of. I'm going to pepper this side. Oh, this grinder annoys me. Okay. And these are cod fillets, and they're going to cook for about 3 or 4 minutes per side. And then when they're about done, I'm going to add the garlic and the lemon juice. So we'll let these cook for a bit, and then we'll come back and check on it. Oh, I turned off the burner instead of the camera. Okay, now we're going to flip the fish. Don't mind the music if you can hear it. My husband. There we go. And it'll finish up pretty quickly. This is cod, and cooked this way, it tastes a lot like crab, if you like crab. To me it does. Now I'm going to add some garlic. too much. Sorry. I'm going to add, this is fresh lemon. And that just really does wonders. And I might add a little more butter. Let's see if I got enough here to baste with. Just now that's what I do. I go around and I baste all my fillets. Yeah, I'm going to add a little more because I'm doing whipped potatoes. I'm going to put this on whipped potatoes, and I want some of that buttery juices on there. This is good with halibut as well because halibut has very little fat, well, no fat, and has a tendency to be dry. Got to be really careful with halibut. And this is wild caught Alaskan cod. I subscribe to wild caught Alaska fish, and you can choose whitefish or salmon or a combination, whatever you want. So that's where I got this. It's all wild caught Alaskan fish, and so far I've been quite pleased. Everything it's shipped in is recyclable, which is really nice. Because the other places you get meats or something from, yeah, I'll just leave that topic alone. Butcher Box. Don't recommend them. So this is essentially done. I'm going to turn it off because you always have 10 minutes of carryover cooking time with your fish. So when dinner is completed, I will come back and I will show you it plated up. So here it is, our finished plate with the stuffed mushrooms, the fish, mashed potatoes, some macaroni and cheese, and then I have some other things for the side. So there you have it. If you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subscribed, think about doing that. Thumbs up always helps, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great dinner.